What's up? How's it going, guys? We're the Babbling Beards, and we are playing a classic Super Nintendo game called...
One of the coolest Super Nintendo games ever.
If not the coolest.
The one, the only Sunset Riders.
Sunset Riders. Let's see if the options give us anything.
That sounds awful. Let's just play.
You want to do normal, hard, or easy?
Normal. I don't want to do hard. I'm not up on that.
I'm going to crank up our difficulties just to 4. Or our,
You're continuing. We just did that. You're talking about continues.
Yeah, just so we have a little bit more fun. And we can dick off.
Konami has made some awesome games.
Yeah.
Billy. Bob.
I'm going to be Bob.
Bob.
I always got to be Bob.
I'll be Billy.
I like there's Steve, Billy, Bob, Cormano, Simon Greenwell. His name is even Greenwell. Alright, buttons. Jump, shoot. Jump, shoot. I remember me and my brother renting this game. Oh yeah. From like Blockbuster. Come on, there you go.
I forgot about that. I was not going here.
Remember, if you get hit, you die, though. This game is so cool, man.
What? I blew myself up.
Oh, look at my freaking guns, dude.
Yeah, I'm jealous.
Jump up. I heard he got he's got like 2 rifles. He's a badass.
Yeah, I need to step my game up.
This reminds me of Westworld. I haven't finished yet, so don't tell me anything.
I haven't finished it either.
But
what?
I've still got...
Did I miss something?
He threw a knife at you. I've still got like 2 episodes left.
Watch out, bomb.
I'll let you get that there.
Thanks, buddy.
Uh-oh. Now we had to jump up on these guys. Ooh. And we got running. Ooh.
Ah!
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Good job, Josh. Back to my pea shooter.
Okay.
This always made me nervous.
Oh, we gotta shoot the barrels. Oh, I finally died, man. That sucks. I had really good guns, though. Oh, shit. I'm dying like a little bitch.
Messed up. I was doing good there for a second.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
We got old Greenwell.
Yeah, I've got 2 more episodes left in Westworld. Have you watched... Are you up to the finale, or...?
No, I don't remember how many I have to watch.
Hawkeye Hank Hatfield.
Triple H.
Dead or alive.
I tell you what, we're doing our horses and trapalapa.
What are you talking about?
Would you just let me talk? Oh, that's not good. Oh, am I done? Press start. Got it.
Oh, shit. I'm done. Jeez. I didn't die one bit. And then a whole level. It's kind of hard to see, you know?
Yeah, I never liked this one.
Because when you're riding, you can't really, like, it's hard to focus on being shot at and see those bullets.
Yeah, they don't make those bullets easy to see.
I like how the horse jumps backwards. How do you train a horse to jump backwards?
Very carefully.
Oh.
Good thing there's no accuracy rating.
Yeah.
How accurate with this? Not at all. We just spray and pray.
Spray and pray, bruh. Taking pot shots, taking pot shots.
There we go.
Good. Down this fucking level.
That was quick.
I got hit a old hate field here.
Chugga chugga choo choo. You didn't get no gun upgrades or anything. Draw, Pilgrim!
Do I look like a pilgrim? You ever see the American Ashley Olsen, How the West Was Fun movie?
No.
It was pretty cool.
Or if I did, I don't remember it.
Dwight Yoakam was in it.
What?
Yeah. He played like their crazy uncle that was trying to sell grandma's farm. And the Indian or Native American dude that helped out with the farm was like on their side.
Ah!
How'd that hit me?
He's that good, Josh. He's that good.
Oh, he's flashing red. We got him on the run.
Got him on the ropes!
Jesus.
Ah!
Dang, dude. I died more than you did on that one.
I don't know what it was. Oh, what?
I got you.
Hey, at least we got him. Woohoo!
Woo!
Ride him, cowboy. Got a little hiccup there. Boss damage ratio. I didn't do anything.
Oh, bonus stage.
Oh! Buckle up,
Oh, this one's
Buckaroos.
just a first-person shooter.
I don't have anything.
You gotta move the diagonal.
Oh, there we go. The diagonal?
Yeah, the D-pad.
I don't even have a chance.
When does it stop? There we go.
Ah, you beat me by 3 hits.
Tell you, dude.
Whew.
Dude.
Buckle up, Buckaroos.
Bucker up, Buckaroos.
Dark horse. We're fighting a Katy Perry album.
A dark horse.
Or song. I don't. Was it an album?
It was a song.
Just a song. Yeah. Buckle up, Buckaroos. Ah,
Hey,
you got it. This is
I
awesome.
think we should continue on the next episode.
Right now. All right.